Ever wondered how you can turn your steering wheel so effortlessly? That's all thanks to your power steering system, and at the heart of it is the power steering pump. But what happens when this critical component starts to fail? Suddenly, that smooth, easy steering turns into a struggle. You might notice stiff steering, strange noises, or even fluid leaks under your car. And trust me, you don't want to ignore these signs. A failing power steering pump isn't just an inconvenience. It could be a serious safety risk. In today's video, we're talking about common signs of a faulty power steering pump. Sign number 1, stiff or slow steering. When you turn your steering wheel, the response from your wheels should be immediate. If you notice that it's taking more effort than usual to turn the wheel, or there's a delay in the response, your power steering pump could be failing. This isn't just annoying. It could be a real safety risk, especially at high speeds or when you need to make quick maneuvers. Sign number 2, squealing sounds. When you start your vehicle, if you hear a high-pitched squeal, especially when turning sharply, it could be a sign of a failing power steering pump. But before you panic, check your accessory belt. Sometimes, a loose belt can cause similar noises. If the belt's fine, though, it's time to inspect the pump. Sign number 3, fluid leaks. If you notice a puddle of red-brown liquid under your car, it could be power steering fluid. This usually means there's a crack in the pump housing or reservoir. A leak like this can quickly lead to a loss of power steering, so don't wait to get it checked out. Sign number 4, metal flakes in the fluid. Finally, let's look at your power steering fluid. If you check the reservoir and see metal flakes in the fluid, it's a sign that your pump's internal components are wearing out. If you replace the pump, make sure to flush the system completely. Otherwise, those metal flakes could damage your new pump too. So there you have it, 4 common signs of a failing power steering pump. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't wait to address them.